Unsecured, positioned precariously but communicating, the Philae Lander sent pictures today of its new home on a comet 500 million kilometers from Earth. One of its feet is in the corner here. In shadow, Philae is surrounded by what look like sheer, rocky cliffs. This one was taken by Philae less than a minute before it touched down. Here we see the lander on its 7-hour fall, dwarfed by the comet. The lander ended up bouncing twice before it came to rest, about a kilometre from its intended target. The cross is where it was meant to land. The box is where it is now.
It's just something emotional with the context of having some man-made feature in the foreground of some alien landscape, and that just really gets you, and that's what's getting people now. That's where the emotion is, that this is a massive technological feat.
Scientists now know that Philae is lying on its side, 2 of its feet on the ground, 1 pointing into space. And there are concerns for its battery life, as its final position may prevent enough sunlight reaching it to give it charge, though it should still reach all of its main science goals. The next big milestone for Rosetta will be the perihelion phase, when the comet is closest to the Sun. This should happen in August 2015, at around 185 million kilometers. The comet will become more active as it heats, ejecting dust and gas. Rosetta will stay with the comet as it passes the Sun to monitor the changes throughout its whole orbit.
Philae is working, is operative. As we said, we don't know very well where it is on the surface of the comet, but we have no doubt that it's on the surface. We don't know exactly in which attitude it is with respect to the surface, but it's working marvelously. It's transmitting data continuously. We don't lose data. It's doing all the operations we command it to do, so it's perfectly working.
The man who co-discovered the comet 45 years ago came along to congratulate the mission scientists.
It is a great event, and I am very happy.
Philae's arrival at the comet has been a hair-raising, imperfect adventure, but it's in one piece and can now start its scientific work.